Welcome to MyHalalGig, the ultimate halal documentation system that makes managing halal and Hajj file become simple and organized. Here's how you can add your supplier information quickly and easily. Once logged in, navigate to the Supplier section to manage supplier details. Click on the Add Supplier button to add new supplier details. Fill in the supplier's information including names, address, contact details, and certification status. Your new supplier has been successfully added. You can now see it listed in your supplier management dashboard. And that's how simple it is to add supplier information in MyHalalGig. Log in to MyHalalGig now and simplify your halal compliance and documentation journey. Visit www.holisticslab.my to know more about our system.